Imagine waking up to the sound of bird song, sipping coffee on a wooden deck, and breathing in the fresh scent of eucalyptus trees. Just outside Melbourne, Australia, there's a hidden gem where you and your four-legged friend can escape the city and reconnect with nature. This eco-friendly tiny house sits on a quiet property in Victoria. It's designed for couples, solo travelers, or pet lovers looking for a slow, peaceful stay. Tucked between the trees, with no noise but the breeze and your own footsteps, it feels like a private retreat, far from the busy world. Step inside and you'll find clever design in every corner. A cozy queen-sized bed is perfectly placed by a large window, so you can wake up with the sunlight. There's a compact kitchen with a gas stove, fridge, and all the basics to cook your favorite meals, even out here in the wild. The interior is filled with natural textures, wood, soft linen, and neutral tones that make the space feel calm and airy. The bathroom follows a thoughtful, off-grid design, with a composting toilet and a rainwater-fed shower. It's simple, clean, and kind to the earth. Outside, there's a spacious wooden deck with outdoor seating, where you can enjoy breakfast under the gum trees or stargaze by night. A barbecue grill lets you dine al fresco, surrounded by nothing but nature and fresh air. And best of all, pets are welcome. So if you've got a dog who loves to explore, they'll have plenty of space to sniff, run, and relax by your side. From here, you're just a short drive from Victoria's scenic wine country, cozy cafes, and hiking trails through ancient forest. It's the perfect launchpad for a weekend of calm, connection, and quiet adventure. Want more beautiful tiny homes and off-grid escapes like this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us here at Tiny House Big Adventure, where small spaces lead to big inspiration.